We are at 7 Bungalows, Everest, the leafy green and verdant area with all the Raja construction lined up and a beautiful spot and place to live. This is Everest in 7 Bungalows. We are saying a beautiful 3 BHK with a lovely terrace in a great society and an amazing owners as well. That way towards Warsaw Metro and this way towards you Warsaw Link Road. Got couple of parking, stilt parking as well with the house. Open parking I would say, and what a great society. Been around for a few decades, about 3 decades. Everest, that's what the name is. 7-story, couple of elevators working all the time. They always maintain societies in this lane. Let's have a look at a 3 BHK with a magnificent terrace. So we're seeing a beautifully furnished house, 3 BHK on sale with the terrace in Everest. This is at 7 Bungalows by Rafique Construction. That's the living space. That's how we entered. On the left hand side we got a room here, a bedroom with the attached bathroom. There's one here, there's one there, there's a living space. On the right hand side we got a lovely kitchen there and a big massive terrace. Beautiful mandir as well for the devout, and it's a well lit house. Let's have a look immediately on the left hand side. What we got is got bed, wardrobe and fully furnished everything in here, and it's got an attached bathroom as well. So this is a house with the terrace and very neatly and nicely maintained. It's been about for 3 decades, and what a lovely weather outside with a lot of greenery. 7 Bungalows. This is a poshest lane that you ever get to see and get to live, and you got a few restaurants alongside which are branded as well, and that's got a lot of frames and good wallpaper and designs. This is one of the bedrooms now here. So this has been made into a kids room with a lot of cabinets and a study table and the baby's room, but it has another feature which is attached bathroom here. So every bedroom, mind you, in this house will have attached bathroom with the sinks, shower, geyser, everything that you need and you require. That's a gorgeous mandir as well here, and the dining with the sofa sets and a big space. Living space is amazing. Let's go and see every window. It's been the house has been kept as it was, the original size and shape. It's got a pigeon netting, the bird netting with the grills and all the Raja construction. So we are also in the Raja construction. Lovely, that frame, that's amazing. So this is the size. It's massive, 850 built up plus 850 another built up. That includes terrace. That's what it mentions in the agreement. So it's a big one. That's where we entered from. Very rarely you see there's a step up. So just take a step up here. And what a gorgeous terrace with the weather, the sky in the backdrop. Before that, that's a big kitchen. Ladies love the kitchen. So that's where the buyers come into picture. They love it because the kitchens are nowadays tiny in the new construction, but not this one. This one is massive. Just can't take the eyes off it because it's square shaped and it's huge. And there's another area there over there. It's got cabinets and storage. So mind you, people ask for storage as well, and there's nothing that's short in this house that's devoid of any space. Look at this. This is amazing. So very rarely, I was mentioning, you get houses for sale in these buildings. Raheja. Excuse me. That's the terrace with the swing, the hammock, or whatever you call it, with the little dining here. So if you want to have a barbecue party, you can. You just have a soiree and call people over, a few people, mind you, not many because of these times. And it's a lovely view. What a weather. It's just open to sky terrace. And I've just got one house, and this is the one which is open to sky terrace, and this is on sale. So I'm going to get a lot of calls, I'm sure, and I'm cocksure a lot of people will call for this house. You got Cabra there, you got Bayview there. So great location, 7 Bungalows. This is the lane that's coveted one. People want to buy in this lane and nowhere else because 7 Bungalows, all the best construction are in these quiet, peaceful lane. Let's go. We checked there, those areas there, living space. Let's check that bedroom now. So the last bedroom we're going to check, lovely chandeliers as well there. This is the last bedroom. So every bedroom, like I mentioned, has a attached bathroom, bed, wardrobe. That's the biggest one actually, a big bedroom. It's a master one. It's a master bedroom. That's where we enter from. So it's a big house. 1700 built up, minus 10 odd percent for the carpet loading. And this is a great view, Lokhandwala 7 Bungalows. This is the lane I was talking about, 7 Bungalows. It's one of the reputed ones and the only ones. Yeah, that's the one. That's a lot of space in here in the wardrobes as well. Let's go check that window. If you want to make your windows a little longer and make it French, that's ideal. Why not? You got horizon view, so all the Raheja construction around. Let's check the bathroom out and bid the final goodbye, and then we can finish the shoot. That's the one. Yeah, it's big. It's massive. Tremendous in size, so you can make it the way you want, buy it and refurbish the house. I would love to take this house myself because it's with the terrace. It's got a lot of charm and old school to it, and mind you, the buyer can give the house the way it is with the furniture, but you have to pay the price for it. And it's 1700 built up with the terrace. Rafique Merchant, new properties every day on my YouTube channel. I'm going to soak in the sun in this terrace. Cheers guys, take care, bye.